Hello everyone, this is Reed Khan, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use awk command to parse log files. In the previous tutorial we have already seen how to parse log files using cut command. So let's talk about awk command first. So awk command is an interpreted programming language designed for text processing and used for uh, extracting data and reporting to. And it comes mostly unique. It comes with all the Unix-like operating system. So the log file we will be passing have somewhat this type of syntax. Let me show you. So this is the last line of the log file. The domain being accessed is example.com and the port being accessed is 80. The IP of the system from which it is being accessed is this. The timestamp is this, and it is a get request for the resource status.html, and the status code being returned is 404 not found. So we will be getting the required information using the awk command. For all the details you can follow my blog z-appy.blogspot.in. So let's start passing the log files. So we will be extracting the details using the column and performing some manipulation over it. So let's try out running the first command. What it does is this command print the 10th column in the log file. So let's run it and see the output. So it has given us all the output of the 10th column. So let's see which is the 10th column. This is the first one, the second one, third and fourth are blank. This is the fifth one, sixth, seventh, this is eighth, this is ninth, and this is the 10th one. So we have extracted all the 10th column of this log file, and as a result of which we have got all the status code being returned to 200, 200, 404, 502, and so on. So before extracting the files, you should be aware that which column you are extracting and which column have the needful information. So let's go ahead. So our example looks like this only. Now let's sort it out. The status code which we have got, we'll be sorting it out. So we can in our previous command we can sort the output. So the output we will get will be in sorted manner. All the 200 status code would be above, then all the 302, 304 will be together, 404 will be together, and all the 502 together. So in this way we can sort. So the output is sorted now. Now suppose you need to count the unique count of each status code. Then what you can do is simply give another flag unique -c. So this will tell you that in the current log file there are 200 200 status code have 39 count and 302 have single count and so on. So in this way you can calculate how many count for each kind of status code you have received. Now let's sort this. As you can see, it is being sorted on the basis of the status code 200, 300, 400, and 500. Now what if you want to sort it again on the basis of the count number? So you need to again apply the sort filter, and you can see the output as the least and the maximum count. If you want to sort it the other way, like from increasing to decreasing one, then what you can do is apply a minus r flag and it will sort it towards the decreasing order. So far we have seen that how to count the status code and sort them in the required way. Now let's do another thing. Let's print out um, all the status code written by which resource or which URL. So that we will do with this with the help of this command. So what this command does is the eighth column, it is going to print the eighth and the 10th column. So eighth column is is of the resource being accessed, and 10th column is the status code. So we'll be finding these things in the sample.log file and we will be sorting it out. So let's see the output. So here's the output. As you can see, the status.html have returned 200 status code and so on. Once it has also returned 404 code, and some more URL are also being accessed which have returned the corresponding code. So in this way you can find out which resource have returned which status code. So far seems to be good. Now number of let's count the unique count of each record, each resource being accessed. So just apply a unique filter and you can see that say slash feed is being accessed once, which have returned this, and slash status has been accessed thrice, which have returned status code of 200, and so on. So this is all from this tutorial. Hope you have learned a lot about awk, and more suggestions are most welcome in the